That's a good question. So if you search on the internet about AI, this is the only thing that's gonna come up with the first. So will AI replace humans? So yeah, I personally believe AI is something that is going to make our jobs easier. I think that makes our life easier and makes the job more enjoyable instead of doing the repetitive task by ourselves. But on the other hand, it obviously gonna reduce the headcount. That's gonna happen for sure. But I think even without AI, this is going to happen, right? Because the technology in general is evolving and repetitive tasks are replaced by some scripts or algorithms, right? So even without AI, this is going to happen. So I think any company that's in the market will see productivity. And when you take the productivity of a computer and a human, uh, computer is always going to win because humans have put all their efforts to build that particular model. Because maybe let's take for an example. Mm, uh, for example, a keyword sentiment analysis model. Maybe hundreds and 200 developers have worked on it. So it's 200 versus one, right? When it comes to the model versus us, and the model will be still evolving. It will be learning on its own. So I think yeah, companies would prefer AI, but it's not going to be something like humans will be eliminated and machines will be working. Humans will always be there. Yeah.